Welcome everyone, my name is Abdalla Hamadeh and I hope you have enjoyed your summer break. Some of the things I have learned on IBP are the basic skills which have allowed me to develop and improve and be ready for this year of IB. So some of those skills are allowing me to have better writing skills, trying to avoid one of my bad habits, which is procrastination, and mainly knowing how to use my time more efficiently. Physics was related to my summer break in various ways, such as when I was driving, or when I was playing a specific type of sport, or when I was even traveling from one country to another. One of the things that is related to our summer break and is used as an example, such as the car, which is related to an everyday situation. The car has different types of forces. The main forces on every object that moves is the gravity force. The gravity force pulls it down, and then we have the reaction force pulling it up. Now in the car, it has that, but it also have different types of forces. There's the air resistance. Since the car moves, let's say the car moves to the right. When it moves to the right with a specific type of force or a specific amount of force, the air resistant, it's the air is resisting the car moving towards it. So it's basically like a car moving and air pulling it back. There is a driving force, which is basically the engine itself. It's basically the car itself moving towards the right. And then lastly, it is the friction. The friction which is created by the car, by the wheels that are moving and creating heat on the ground. Another example of physics is swimming. So when anyone goes to swimming, there's also types of forces. We have, since now it's in water, we have the gravity pulling you down, but we also have the buoyant force pulling you up, which is basically the water pulling you up, like lifting you back up to the surface. And then you have the drag force, the water pulling you back, and then you have the thrust force, which is you actually swimming through the water to move in a specific direction. Another example is the airplane. So the airplane also has the basic types of forces, which is onto every object, as I already said, which are the gravity force, or basically the weight pulling it down, and then the reaction force or the lift pulling it up, in this case as a plane. There is air friction. Since the airplane is moving, let's say to the left this time, it's moving to the left, and